Kia ora.
Kia ora. So we've had a couple of comments about how we say kaukau as opposed to koko. And that really is just vowels and or and oohs, and the fact that our granddad used to call us fruit salads.
Ngāti fruit salads.
Ngāti fruit salads, because we are Tongan, Maori,
Māori,
Chinese,
Chinese,
Tahitian, Cook Island, Christchurchians, married to Samoans, and Rod. So, yeah, that's us. Sorry. I don't
We default to the
we
Tongan
default to
kaukau.
kaukau. We use it every day.
Just comes out in the pronunciation too.
So we're going to do a hakama for you, because we thought let's do the Māori alphabet, and we'll probably do the Tongan one on a different post. So here we go. Ahakama na para tawanga wha. Eheke me ne pere tewinge whe. Eheke me ne pere tewinge whe. Ohokama na para tawanga wha. A e I o u. Uhukamu na kura tu na fu. One more time, Leah. Ahakama na para tawanga wha. Eheke me ne pere tewinge